Me not play a game. Me right now, bro. This like a big bumbo clock come for my life. Pussy, you know me, batty boy? You know me? And bumbo clock Swissley wear a crop top. And bumbo clock Jaden page. Do not come for Millie Mel's page because suck your mother and come out from me thing, pussy. That me I tell you. Bumbo clock. Yo, me say, yo, that's why I don't want to come on a bumbo clock live, eh? Me say 3 days take me for do live, you know. Me say from me do Jaden, yo, you know about Jaden, from me do it bumbo clock. Right now, my head plug out in the night. Me not take no talk. Go suck your mother. I go on pan King Donia live. I go on pan Bumbo Clot Jaden live. I go on pan Swissley within crop top thing. But remember, good enough, you can't go pan Shalom live because you're a fish batty boy. Just remember good. Pussy, you're a transmission batty boy. Just know. You can't, hold on now. You can't go up on the whole man them live, you know, where I fish, but I one live, me sure you can't go up on this live, yeah, and Shalom live, go suck your mother, your transmission, batty boy. Fuck with me, alright. Suck your mother, batty boy. That me I tell you, brawling. But anyway, me not listen. Me not listen to the haters them, you know. Cause as I say, King Donia come like in Sunny, one of them fans them. Father God, I make them fight me, son. You're going to hate, man. As I'm saying, no. Bad man is active, don't. So, what I know, since Donia send the whole I want over here. See? Since Donia send the whole I want over here. What over here do? And that me I say. What over here do? I'm not supposed to over here. Why want on the on my page? See? Why water? And sure it's the pussy clot. Yo, me I gotta talk to my people them. I mean I care about you know. Just mark me telling you, hear that. Me stop read comments and I go love you know. Me now make it jam me out and make me cuss. Yo! I'm not going to do anything, yeah? My sister said, what I Donia? What a King Donia fans over here, so tonight, because me out the pussy clot. I could have, why the fuck me start a live? That man, why do I start a live? You see, pray. Me not say my fans them there, big up my fans them. You see it? Big up my fans them who they here. I look like a most Donia fans them they here. Bumbo clot. Me not read no more comments. Me done. Me done. Me not read no more comments. Me done. Me no sooner, man. Me no sooner. Me no sooner, brother. But anyway, me done talk about King Donia, you know. Me done talk about King Donia. Me done talk about King Donia, cause boy, me know all the King Donia fans are not innocent, you know. They don't have a be a full fans King Donia have, I swear. Pussy mama blood clot. King Donia was a madman before. He dog become a TikTok blood clot star, bro. But who know? That's what I say, who know, who don't know, just don't know. So what I wanna blush me, know, like me, I try like a hype, and I don't know me. When I don't know me, when I know King Donia, when I don't know me. When I know long, when I wait to cuss me out, When I know long and I wait to cuss me out, I think I today. That's why I'm not come on a blood clot life for 3 days. Yeah, but me know, so regardless, me did happy. Brother, when I no sense, dog. Oh, me alone say King Donia madman, brother. King Donia madman, just, bro, when I just research and a thing, dog. Right now, King Donia on medication and that. Alright, look pa. Alright, facts. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Everybody a blast me. Hold on. Only take a second, see? Because what are you, man, you know? Only know say King Donia on medication right now. When I don't bumbo clot, no, when I don't know. When I just know King Donia. Pussy clot, yo. Me I end the live there, okay? Come like, what a Donia. You see what a King Donia fans them come over here to cuss me out tonight. And that me realize. So me come to talk to my fans them on my page and everybody. Oh, you what is coming at King Donia thing? No, more no. Me start my live and everybody asks about King Donia. I do a video about King Donia about 4 or 5 days ago, almost a week ago. Why the fuck everybody asks me about King Donia? Brother, me done, you know. Me done with the whole I wanna call what I come like the whole King Donia fans them come over here to come cuss me the blood clot. Hey, God bless my 2 little fans them with the palm my bumbo clot life and at them me do it for. At them me do it for me then do it for una bumbo clot me. Brother, una just go on back at King Donia page, no bro, King Donia the pan live now, you know. Fuck una there watch me for. Oh, so that means I'm important. Me important, man. Me fucking important. See? Cause if King Donia I found a blood clot God and Jaden and Swissley, what the fuck when I do for me thing? Bro, I lift up for me thing, man. When I lift up and my fans me attack to, I got suck on the mother, bro. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot, everybody there for my thing. Everybody there for my thing. But I wanna lift up for me thing, man. Lift up, and I lift up for me thing, bro. Lift up from me bumbo clot thing, dog. Brother, I want to. Yo, where the fuck? You know what me say, yo, me know me name. Yo, me shouldn't start alive here tonight, you know? Yo, go suck your mother, man. Bow gun. Go suck your mother. Bow gun, pussy. You feel like you're not gonna kill me like bumbo clot. No, yeah, bumbo clot. Boss it, batty boy. Go suck your mother, man, and come off of me thing, batty boy. And go on for your batty man page. That if you do. Go on for your Batman page. Go on for Bumbuckler, Swiss Lee and the whole of them page, Batty Boy. Go on for King Donia page, because I look like a fuck man, Batty Boy. And come on for me thing, pussy. I'm to you. Come on for my page, dog. Bumbuckler, come like King Donia saying, all them fans of me in the night have to come blush me to blood clot. Eh? 3 Bumbuckler here, me not come on live. And in night, look how late me come on the Bumbuckler live. Yo, we not gonna suck no man. I wanna come off of my thing, brother. Come off of my thing, come off of my thing. Oh no, come off of my thing. Me not read no more comments, not gonna suck no mother. My fans them wanna like up a page and tell them to go suck them mother. My fans them. I mean now make my fans make me come off a live and go suck on a mother. That me I tell you now. Look at dirty dog shit. Bumbuckler, King Donia and the whole of over you have to come disrespect me. Eh? Fucking idiot. Hey, you see that long run? When me say, me, I go get your laugh. And me, I go get your last laugh when you find out say King Donia really is a blood clot madman with the pan drugs. Pussy. And me, I go laugh. See? Everybody tell me, say, why you never call King Donia and reason with him? Call me Bumbuckler, how much time I text him? How much time I text him and link him? Him call me back one time? Eh? Him call me back one time when I just pray one thing when I go suck in the mouth. Oh, you go suck out on a mother? Brawling for the Bumbuckler like pussy. When I can't kill me like blood clot now, yeah. And boss it, that me I tell you now. Fuck when I come for my life. I wanna come for my life. Why you come for my life? When I no fans, I don't like me, dog. Why the fuck you come for my life? I that me I say why? Why? I that more ask. Why? Bumbuckler. Me say people them come like and just sit down and wait for me to come for life, bro. If you just jump on me. Eh? Everybody. Yo. Like up my page and my people. My fans, please maybe gonna like up my channel. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you look a cussing and look a thing we go on. You see, pray me not read them comments, my fans. I gotta just do what I come for do. I gotta just circle me down. I like up my channel. Please and thanks. Yeah. Boy man, Bumbuckler. Hey. Trouble set up like rain in a dog. Trouble set up like rain. Look how me say from morning I want to come on the live and I say me nah come on the live, you know, cause everybody a link me on the Bumbuckler King Donia thing in a dog. See, so I say alright, me nah touch a live till about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock when everybody, you know? Bumbuckler dog. Ah boy. Bumbuckler dog, me I tell you now. Boy, them people are wicked now, mama Bumbuckler, still you know. The people in that do me say the people in just check them background, dog. Just check on the background now. Everybody want to blame me a problem. So me go do the video now say King Donia a madman, everybody a blush me. And what a King Donia phantom a blush me. Eh? Me never did see money in that Bumbuckler video. Me did see money in that video more than me say. Me never remember me say in that video. I me say, oh, remember when King Donia was a madman with a nyam out a garbage pan. That's how I say, you know. I me say, but what you know, you can't judge people. So why you not judge me? On a bad mind, man. On a bad mind. On a pussy clad bad mind. Like that. King Donia say, well, I know if you come blast me in the night. Yo. God no. Yo, myself, yo, if it wasn't for my fans, them end up Bumbuckler life, you're still, you know, me, I'm telling you, God Almighty truth, I told my fans, them depend this, you know. And my fans, me end this long time, man, when you got suck in the mama. Me stop read comments, bro. Me not read no more comments. Anybody who there on the live, wanna join in on the live. And be free if you join in on the live, please, my beg, you know. Wanna like up a page and like up a channel. You see, pray. Cause I look a batty boy, depend it live, I be a gun them and talk about. I not read them comments, bro. Cause I not make the boy came like, nah, yeah, boss said, the boy go suck them mother. Go suck out your mama. Me and my daughter and my son for live for batty boy. And my music career. Be a gun and talk about batty boy. Suck your mother, man. Suck out your mama. Y'all come talk about gun. Pussy, me know you. Me never diss King Donia, bro. More than me say, bro. A fact me a talk, bro. Facts me a bumbuckler talk. Me seal. Seal the bumbuckler seal like I'm cigarette drop out of my bumbuckler and minute you come text me about gun. Suck your mother with gun, dog. You're going like yo, that's how man tell yo. If you know why I come from bumbuckler live in a dog. Me I tell you in a dog, cause some man chip off me the night bumbuckler night in a dog. See pray. Me don't want to look a video and be a trick, dog. No go suck on no mother, man. Stop read comments, bro. Suck on no mama. Go be a gun. Go suck on no mother, man. Wanna know me? Sir? Wanna don't blood clot know me? Only need to run back on a bumbo clot file before you try violate, man, dog. I am just a TikTok star. I'm a comedian, bro. But when me say me never lie on King Donia thing, bro. Did I lie? No, you just don't know. So if you can kill me now when you find out that King Donia was a madman, how you gonna feel? On a sense. On a sense, dog. On a sense. Mark me telling you, on a sense. You come bumbuckler and talk about gun. Go suck your mother and you and your gun, pussy. Me and my daughter and my son for live for batty boy. And my family. You come talk about gun. Pussy. Auntie, man, humble yourself, dog. Only don't know what I'm going. Now you alone have gun, man. You alone have gun, man. Police not a gun, no. Police not a gun. Suck your mama and come off of me thing, man. Suck your mother and come off of me thing. You put my life a threat me, dog. Or if you put my life a threat me, batty boy. Jamaican queen. Come off of me life and top threat me, dog. Come off of me live and top threaten me. I can call the police boy, you bumbuckler. You threaten me, batty boy. Over true me say King, true me do a video say King Donia. King Donia was a madman and look how he dog. You know, that's why I say you can't judge people. The facts me attack, who know blood clot, no, you fucking need that. See, you want to come kill me over King Donia will give $1 million batty boy. You can tell me about gunshot. Go suck out your mama, you know me pussy. Suck your mother, man. Suck your mother. Jamaican queen. That me I tell you. Now run down madman. A madman and I run down and I got suck out the mama. I feel like I can't kill me like Naya and bust head and I got suck out the mama. I'm to you. Eyes wide open, all four corners, man. I know what I do. Hear that? Bamba clot. Hey, every time I get a youth try rise on TikTok and I try kill them. At that. Every time I get a youth try rise on TikTok, bad mind try get to them and try kill them. Hello, I am a fucking entertainer, you know. I am an entertainer. See? Alright, you know. I am a fucking entertainer, you know. I am a fucking entertainer. So when somebody asks me to chat on the live, what the fuck you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do if somebody asks me to chat on the live and say, they are going to kill me? What the fuck you want me to do? You see your life a run, mama. You know, see your life a run. Turn to take your life. Blood clot. You better take everything serious. Take everything serious, because the only video me do, me say, remember I know me that this nobody, not even a person in a video me this no mama. All what me say, who remember when King Donia was a madman and you out a garbage pan? I lie me I tell. And I lie me I tell. So who know? No, who don't know? Who don't know? So who don't know now, at them a link you. And I send be a tough chat and gun chat. You understand? I tell us, boy, I get gun chat. Bro, go suck no matter. Me not take this light, I TikTok is. That's why I not like to come live. You kill Naya, you know, and I kill Bosshead. You feel like me trust, you know? Eh? Me not go road. Me not go bumbuckler road. So for me, when I not get me, I'm a daughter and my son for live for, bro. So all the chat you send me up on the live, bro. You have to hold that on your own, bro. See? Me a good youth. Me is not a gunman. So what the fuck you want to kill me for? For what? For what? Suck on your mother, man. Suck your mother and come off of my life, man. Suck your mother. Yo, it coming like Bumbuckler King Donia. It coming like King Donia give a $2 million batty war if you kill me. Go suck your mother and come off of my thing. Come on now, why you pick up a man thing like that? Eh? Why the fuck you pick up King Donia thing like that? And that me wanna know. Suck your mother again, batty boy. Suck your mother. Suck out your mama. Suck your mother. Come for me then, no pussy, come for me. Since you know me, they come for me. Come for me now? Come for me. Suck your mother, man. Come like King Donia, you want $3 million if you come kill me, don't? Eh? Hold on, may I ask you a question for the life. Did King Donia give one 3 or one $5 million if you come kill Millie Mills? Eh? Bro, me and my daughter for live for. And me and my son for live for, bro. This TikTok thing, yeah? You see this TikTok thing, yeah, bro? Me just do it. Because me can't do it, bro. See, I am a comedian. Me do music from day one. Anybody who know me knows me used to run Massacre. Me used to run Navino. Me used to run Stylex. Me used to run a bunch of artists who me even don't talk about. See, me not thinking King Donia up on me level. Like, if it's a TikTok star, where everybody love me, I say no. But when they run an artist like Massacre, bro, him is not a competition, and you have to understand. And I was Massacre right hand. Just remember good, no man. Just remember good. See? Hello, I'm telling you, so I stop read comments, you know. I stop read comments because I see most of King Donia fans them there, so. And most of King Donia fans them there, so we are blash me, bro. And I not cuss no more for the night, so I just going to hold my own. Don't. But this Jamaica queen, they put me bumbuckler thing, I come talk about gunshot. I over 50 times they asking it to me. I come talk about gunshot, that's why I get dark. You see, pray. Go suck your mama, man, and come on for me thing about gun. Yo, man, I come on for a live at you know that. I come on for a live. You hear me? I tell them, I come on for a live. Me say for them, hey, I tell my fans them there, you know, dog. Oh boy. I fell off. Hey. I don't know where King Donia seen the one of them bumbo clot fans come over here to come blast me for the night, you know?